Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the next geometry, that is the circles. And there are two types of circles available, the simple circle and the perimeter circle. In the case of the simple circle, you have to click once and it will become the center of the circle, and whenever you click again the circle will be drawn. And again the circle sticks with the cursor whenever you click, and whenever you next click it will determine its radius and it will be drawn like this. The next type of a circle is the perimeter circle. There is a little difference between these two types of circle. Whenever you click, the circle sticks with the point, and whenever you again click, the second point is drawn. And the important thing is to note in this type of circle, the 2 points that becomes the perimeter of that circle, means the circle will pass through these 2 points in drawing the circle like this. And again whenever you click, the circle sticks with the 1 point, and you click again, the circle sticks with the 2 points, and it will be drawn either of the side, but the 2 point will pass through the perimeter of the circle like this.